Understanding, fitting in, a deep dive into English idioms. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a commonly used English phrase, fitting in. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, when to use it, and how it fits, pun intended, into everyday conversations. Fitting in is an idiomatic expression that has two primary meanings. 1. Being accepted, to be socially compatible with a group, to be accepted, or to feel like you belong with others. 2. Example. At first, I felt out of place at my new school, but after joining the chess club, I really started fitting in. 3. Being appropriate or suitable, when something is right for a particular situation or occasion. 4. Example. Wearing jeans to a formal event wouldn't be fitting in. Understanding the origins of phrases can sometimes make them easier to remember. The term, fit, means to be of the right shape and size for something. Imagine trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. It just doesn't work. Similarly, when you're trying to fit in socially, you're attempting to find where you belong, just like that peg trying to find the right hole. Let's see how we can use this phrase in various contexts. 1. Describing social situations. 2. She had a hard time fitting in at the new job because she was much younger than everyone else. 3. Talking about appropriate behavior or style. 4. Wearing bright colors is not fitting in at a funeral. 5. Discussing personal feelings. 6. Even though they were all friendly, I just felt like I wasn't fitting in. And that's a wrap on fitting in. Remember, language is more than just words. It's about understanding the culture and emotions behind those words. The next time you hear or use the phrase, fitting in, you'll have a deeper understanding of its meaning and context. We hope this video has been helpful, and keep practicing to become even more fluent in English.